Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. It's beautiful here in Georgia, but a little cool. And today I'm going to be making panko breaded chicken, and some people call this Schnitzel. And so these are my ingredients. I have some panko crumbs, and then over in my flour mixture I have cayenne pepper and a little cinnamon, and you can also use nutmeg. And in my panko mixture I have parsley flakes and garlic powder. And so I'm going to mix up my flour and cinnamon into my flour. So now then I'm going to mix up my garlic powder and my parsley flakes. You can use fresh chopped parsley flakes if you want to. Okay, so now I have all my spices mixed in my panko breadcrumbs and also my flour. So now then I'm going to put black pepper on my chicken. You can sprinkle both sides of your chicken, but I'm just sprinkling one today. Okay, so now then I'm going to dredge this in my flour and cinnamon and cayenne pepper. And I'm going to be dredging it in this milk and egg mixture. Okay, so now then I'm going to put it in my panko crumbs. Okay, and then I'm putting this in about 2 tablespoons of oil I'm going to cook it on 2 minutes on each side. And there's just me and Calvin, so that's why I'm just doing 2 today. If you have a big family, you can double this. That sure does look good. Some people call this Schnitzel. I don't remember if I said that or not. Okay, now then I'm going to put this over here in my pan. Okay, so now then I'm going to put in my second piece of chicken. So now I'm going to flip it over on the other side and let it cook for 2 minutes. Okay, my chicken has browned now, so I'm going to put it in my pan. It sure did brown up pretty. And I'm going to put this in my oven at 350 degrees and I'm going to bake it for 15 minutes. And also with our chicken, we're going to have roasted potatoes and green beans. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, my panko breaded chicken has just came out of the oven, so now I'm going to do the taste test. It certainly did cut really easy, so that's a good sign it's going to be good and tender. That is very tasty. So I think Calvin is really going to like this for supper tonight. And so if y'all try this little recipe, it's an economical recipe and it's something I think your family will really enjoy. And so I'm going to close this video out now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see y'all on the next video. And this was delicious. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason